Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this small video about the trades taken last week, weekly recap. So let's get it started. Week started on the 26th, October 26th, Monday. So this is the only trade that I had on Monday, and in pound newsy 20-minute chart. Trade setup, sell order here, SL break move to break even, and this is my setup. This indicates all the way up, turning to the downside, and blue candle turns into red. A couple of red candles, and I open the trade. SL is being put here at the top, which is always 25 pip. So this is the setup with the 25 pip SL, and that's what the system is. So this is according to exact entry system, right? So, my Magic IB system. So here, pound Uzi 20, only one trade on Monday, and then uh, uh, 27. I had a couple of entries, but like for example, this was on 26, this was on 27, but I closed this trade on both of them on 28. The reason is that some entries on 26 and 27 did move. Market just did move. The entry was there and it's perfect, right? But price just didn't move, maybe 20, 30 pip. And I just want to hold it. And then, I held them, those entries for the next day. And 28, I have 5-6 trades, some new and some from 26 and 27, and I closed them. So this is one of them. Pound yen, you can see the 20-minute chart. This is the entry. It just didn't move much, but I had an entry and I held it. And then the second entry here, and they both dropped. On the 28th, I closed on this level here, and first entry gave me 180 pips from there to there, and 125 from there to there. Pound yen from 20-minute chart, using both of them according to the setup. I do not take any trade without the setup because it's a very, very safe scenario that you only have 25 pip SL. So if you're wrong, you either, the maximum you can lose is 25 pip. Most of the time you don't, because for example, if it drops here, I move my SL to break even. If it goes up and hit my SL, then I don't lose anything. So most of the time, if my SL hit, it's like 5 pip, 10 pip, something like that. Anyway, so this is one. And then the second, EUR-AUD from 7-minute chart. Look at that, how beautiful entry here. And all the way, my entry was a little late, right? But still, buy entry here, 75 pip to the top. On the 28 USD-CAD, it went up also, very nice and clean, 140 pip. 28 also Aussie yen. They were all based on my analysis. I'll show you the charts later at the end of this video. So Aussie yen 20-minute chart, 120 pip to the downside drop here, right? On the 20th. And on the 28th, USD yen also dropped. This was my entry last week, and then this is the one, current right there, sell entry here. And you can see the setup is every time, every trade is the setup is the same. Blue candles and then a couple of red candles. I open the trade here while this indicator is all the way up and this yellow line is below the black. So all 4 conditions met. Here, same thing here, indicator all the way down, yellow is above the black, blue, red candle turns into blue, and I open the trade, gone. This is what 100 pip pound Aussie on the 28th. And then on the 29th, another USD CAD. This was the one that you just saw. It was here. I closed that on 33.15. Came down here, gave me another entry here. Boom. Couple of blue candles. I opened the trade, 60 pip more on the 29th. On the 29th, pound yen. I showed you the chart with these 2 trades. Close those there and then retrace here. And again here, drop 70 pip. See, this is the sell order here. And I think that's on the 29 pound USD as well, just like pound yen. It was a retracement here and nice. I missed earlier these entries here, but I got this one for 80 pip. So these are the trades, nice and clean. But let me show you why, the reason that I took all those yen to the downside. So this is the yen index chart I made back in 12th October, right? This is a harmonic pattern, and I posted that this is what, I follow my, I made these diagrams long time ago. It's like 12 years ago. and I follow them. And if I find something like that, then it's a heads up, right? So I place this here on the chart so that this was cooking XABC. And after that, this is what's supposed to happen. Open a trade here, then open a break of B, and all the way down to D, and then you can go up from here. That's how this pattern works. So this one, what happened, and I was expecting, and then see, I wrote down here what will happen if this start to play out. All yen pairs will be going down. So can I look for the long in yen pairs? No, obviously, when my analysis is telling me that just look for shorts. So what happened first? Let's take a look at that. This is what happened so far on Friday today. This is where we are now. So slowly, but it didn't come down all the way. The first week just didn't move, but this week it moved and it came down. And because of this, I was able to pull USD yen short, pound yen short. I just showed you this, right? Then Aussie yen short, and USD yen short again, and pound yen short again. 5 or 6 yen trades, because I was expecting that it's going to be going down. And if that happens, all yen pairs will be going down. So short, short, short. Now, 50% chance of getting into the wrong side has been eliminated by that, right? So I never went long because that was not the idea. I already showed you on the chart written that all yen pair will be going down. So the only way I go is short. And you can't even find a long setup here, right? This was long here, but so here, it becomes short here. So all of these are short setup. Similarly, I had Aussie index set up here that is going to go down. Same thing. When Aussie is getting weaker, you get Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie going up because Aussie is on the right hand side. So look what happened on those two. This is what happened to this chart here. It came down, giving me a long in Euro Aussie. I just showed you earlier, right? That's how I got this one, and that's how I got Pound Aussie as well to the upside. So this is how I watch, and not only that, but I also post all these heads up, net trade setups, my charts, on my Telegram channel, right? Constantly, whenever I see it. And then you also have alarm. That alarm beeps when you have a setup ready. So this is how it is. If you're interested, if you like what you saw, then go on my website. Here is my website, and this is the subscribe button. You can click here and then go and subscribe. You have a monthly subscription and one-on-one coaching if you need to learn from A to Z, all about Forex market and Forex trading and all the other tradings. Once you learn the system, it works for Forex or commodities, the stock market, everything, right? So you're good to go for forever. So this is it for now. Like I said, that these are the trades, and these are, I think it was like altogether 10 trades. So I've had, better weeks, but the volume is dropping right now. It's like, election time and this and that. November's coming, and then a lot of holidays coming. So November, December, very slow months. Then it will pick up in January. But maybe we will not see that slowness because of everybody home because of the coronavirus. So not people not going on vacation and all that. So we may not have a very thin volume, right? So we still have a nice volume to trade. So let's see what happens. So like I said, yes, if you want to get the system and get going and start trading like this, and this is not the only this week. Every week, all my trades, every week trades, they are on my website. If you go and you look at it here in this monthly subscription page, and you will see that there are, for several years of trades, every single week they are posted there. So you can go through all the trades and then learn that what every single trade of mine is according to the setup. Without the setup, I don't take any trade whatsoever. Okay, so there has to be a setup. This was a nice, beautiful long setup. This was a long setup because the syndicate was all the way down, right? The yellow is above the black. So these are the setup, but this is not the time I was, in the trade already. So I'm just, letting it go. All right, so this is it for now, and be safe and have a very, very wonderful weekend, actually, right? Weekend, and have a safe weekend, right? Practice, social distancing and all that. Coronavirus, it's rising everywhere. London, America, everywhere. Not London, I mean Europe, right? Asia, everywhere, actually. So scary. So be need to be very, very careful, right? So my prayers are all with all of you. May God keep everybody safe. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.